Panelizer is a generic component for dividing bigger panel or a slab into smaller pieces. You can adjust the distribution rules and alignments from the component settings. It's an easy tool to design constructible and optimized material information that can be utilized in drawings, numbering, and material procurement. Again, here I have a wall where I apply the panelizer component. The input part of the component is on the bottom left, so you can edit its geometry by editing the input object. Once I open the dialog, you can see the maximum heights of the panels, which I can adjust, for example, to make this kind of tiling, and then the pattern of the tiling. Here is a sandwich wall where I want to get insulation put into pieces that it will be actually fabricated out of on the factory floor. So I just apply the component to that insulation and set also the distribution in a way that I desire.